So they have my schedule here. I can go into File, and I can export it to a PDF. Because the thing is with MS Project is not a lot of people have it in a company. So if you send an MS project like this, you're gonna have plenty of emails back say sorry, can't read your stuff. So you would export it in a PDF here. But the problem with this, it doesn't let you format much, so it's a bit the luck of the draw, if you like. What I prefer to do is to do a print, and you print it as PDF. So you have choice here, and you just print a PDF, because that lets you, at least that shows you what your printout would look like. So print, and so that gives you some option. Print entire projects. You have the date, shows you how many pages you want to print, the orientation. There's nothing really useful in here. You go to page setup, however, and what you can do is you can say, you know, I want it only on one page. For a small project, that's something that can be given. You can do other stuff, obviously. You can change it on portrait. You can change the margins, the headers, the footer. So the footer would give you all this by default, but you know, one of the first thing I do when I print is I just remove it all the time, because who really wants to know so much detail? I mean, we all know what this means. On the legend here, it's got a thing on his own, and you say legend on none, and he removes it. So be mindful of what is showing here, so you can play around with the formatting, and you just, you know, remove some columns or the likes. So that's something that it's trial and error. You know, try things, try and stretch on that a little bit. So play around with this and go into the print and see what it looks like, and I think you're good to go. So we'll see in the assignment, we'll see some other ways. Obviously, it's, as I was saying, it's something very personal. So if you're happy with the default, you don't need to do anything really. If you're happy with all the formatting, then don't change anything. But I'll show you a couple of examples in the assignment.